is a salad that I look forward to making every year with my fresh cucumbers from the garden because it kind of overlaps from when I've also harvested onions. But of course, you don't have to use your garden produce unless you have it. It's just wonderful. It's a light and refreshing salad, and you're going to use 1 cup of vinegar and 1/2 cup of sugar, and you just go ahead and combine that and stir it until your sugar dissolves. And don't worry about it dissolving, it'll dissolve just fine. It's a granulated sugar. I'm using an apple cider vinegar. We don't know that you should do that because it's very strong. The best vinegar I think for this is a white wine vinegar. So if you're making it especially for a crowd of people, you'll want to use a white wine vinegar. And then I just added 1 more cup of water, and I'll just put that aside while I prepare the cucumber. And I just cut down my English cucumber into 2 pieces to make it a little bit more manageable and easier to work with. Now this is my julienne vegetable peeler. I just love using this for salads like this. So I'll include a link here if you'd like some more information on this little gadget. And then I went ahead and cut down my red onion, and these little red onions can be kind of tough to work with, so I slice it thin, and then I go back and I flip it, and then I flip it again. That's how I cut it. So you do it however you want to do it. And I finished cutting my cucumber, so I had 2 English cucumbers total, and I went ahead and separated out my onion rings in with my cucumbers. And I think that the red onion really makes it really pretty, so try to use red onion if you can. And then it was time to just chop up some herbs. You can use some fresh herbs. You can experiment with whatever it is you're growing. I'm using a parsley, and then I had my last bit of dill left. So I'm not going to use all of this, but what I'll end up using is about 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh herbs. Mint might be good, or basil might be good. You can just try whatever it is that you're growing. I think if you're going to buy this, though, I think that parsley or dill, or the combination of the 2, is best. And then just go ahead and pour over your vinegar mixture, and you're going to toss this very good. Make sure all of your cucumbers are evenly coated, and you'll leave this in the refrigerator for about 6 hours, or overnight is best. And the next day, all of your cucumbers are going to be kind of soft, and then will be easily covered by the vinegar mixture. Don't worry about that. They'll just kind of all come together later. And I just think it's a very light, refreshing salad. Just something that you can go and just grab when you want a little kick of vinegar. And then I garnished it with just a little bit of hyssop petals. And then I tried some dill pollen on it, which was really good. Of course, that's optional, but I think the dill pollen was really good on this salad. It's the first time I tried it on there. And I will include a link for how you can also harvest your own dill pollen for use for cooking. Video will be coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.